Oh yeah, and I'm going to tell you something. Lego Star Wars Forever gave me a Rebel tank, 4 Rebels, and no Trooper Battle Pack and a Trooper Battle Pack. So yeah, and I want to show you something. I got this Star Wars set with R2-D2 and this Star Wars magazine. It's very cool. Yeah, now on to the base mock. I have a speeder here, 3 guys for shooting. I have a dead man, here's his head, some blood. Yeah, shooting, dead. I have this guy running because of this crushed speeder from this Rebel tank. Here's the missile. So yeah, I have fire everywhere. Imperial trooper. I have 2 Zeffs here. One is without a hand because someone shot him. And I want to show you this guy. He's my favorite. He's with an M4A1. It's very cool. So yeah. I have a dead rebel here. Blood. Sorry. I have a rebel tank. And another rebel tank. I have these stairs going to the top. I have snipers here. This is my custom. This is a dead one. And wait a minute. I have 2 these things here. So yeah, I have this room with computers, 3 seats, yeah. So yeah. Yeah, I think it's become better. So yeah, my last words are, please rate, comment and subscribe. Subscribe to Lego Star Wars Forever. And yeah, goodbye.